Member, who that criminal, the cheerful boy in the place. Remember, God is able. Hey, yo, pretty man, sorry them, you know. Nancy, the Rio Gasana, Diana, Osmarito. Yeah, you know that we love you.
Oh, I love you.
We love you so much. We love you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my friend.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
This is Kimenyi Tito. On TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Kimenyi Tito, and I'm a comedian, a vlogger, and
here in Rwanda. So guys, I'm so excited to be in this place. It looks so clean. I didn't expect it to be looking like that. Like, man, I'm going to show you. Every place looks clean. It's organized. The people themselves, they also organized.
That's Kigali.
Yeah, that's Kigali. And then the people are so cool. Like, I just love it. I'm with, even this one is that.
Member, who that criminal, the cheerful boy in the place. Remember, God is able. Hey, yo, pretty man, sorry them, you know. Nancy, the Rio Gasana, Diana, Osmarito. Yeah, you know that we love you.
Oh, I love you.
We love you so much. We love you. We love Diana in Rwanda. That's massive. We love you.
Yeah, these guys look so
That's
good.
crazy. That's
yeah.
and
even these are the celebrity of here in Rwanda.
The biggest comedies.
The baddest.
Diana, Sirigute.
The Pluto of Rwanda.
Okay.
Let them tell us.
Oh, this is the Pluto of
Rwanda. Only person that
this does loyalty test.
Yeah, yes.
My role model.
That's 400k subscribers.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
oh.
Yeah, I'm massive.
You massive.
Crazy, Anna.
Yeah, and I'm massive.
We are all massive. Okay.
Oh my God, Rwanda looks so good, guys. And let me tell you, people are so loving. So I'm just enjoying Rwanda and
life is Gucci.
Life is good. This place is clean. Damn it! You can't even spit. This is Rwanda for you. If you spit,
Show me. Even the leaves. Even the leaves are afraid to go down.
That's the
Look, it has died. It has died.
Oh my God!
Even the leaves.
The roads are organized, but now they're using the right side to drive. Yeah. So I was kind of confused. So I was not relating with Nyashinsky's song. Ni mimi hapa back left, paparazzi. So I was not relating with that song for the first time because nilikuwa back right. And let me tell you guys, my God, if you're a Rwandese, I'm single and ready.
Kenyan.
Yeah. If you're Rwandese, I'm why is that?
Nikuja hapa nikiwa sura mbaya. I was ugly, but because of being Rwanda, check
guys, my God, and then the guys here are tall, super tall. Don't mind about the two short guys, they are pygmies from Uganda. Yeah. Yeah, including these guys. So I'm enjoying this. I'll be showing you how Rwanda looks like. My God, there's no that. This is how I came out of the house, and I still look the same, guys. This is how I came out of the house, and I'm still clean. So you're not struggling. Yo, man, I think Kagame should be made the president of whole Africa. Yes, you should be having that law. President Kagame should be made the president of the whole Africa. You're going somewhere? Okay.
So we're going to take a bike.
Okay. And then you can't take two bikes, one person.
One bike per person.
One bike per person. Hi, how are you?
We're gonna wait for how many bikes?
How many bikes?
We have a free Wi-Fi here.
Free Wi-Fi.
In the country we have.
And the roads.
What I'm saying
I love you.
Free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi powered by MTN.
Our country, we use free Wi-Fi.
Oh, what I've concluded
we don't buy data.
President Kagame should be made the president of the whole Africa. Yes. That's what I've decided, guys, because this guy is doing good. Yeah, everywhere in Kigali, it is Monaco of USA. It is Kileleshwa. Let me tell you guys, even in the village side, it's Monaco everywhere. So, and guys are tall here, so I'll be showing some of the tall guys. So don't mind the one with long face. So guys, let's hold on as we explore Kigali together with my friends. Yes. I'm going to tag all of them over there and the description. Yeah, so that we stay in touch. So stay here. Yo, welcome to Kigali, a city of 1,000 hills. Oh my God, the cleanest city in the whole world. Let me just say that because I've only visited it in Africa, and trust me, in the most countries that I've been, Kigali is the most cleanest city. Even their villages, the urban center. I tried visiting one village called Musanzi, and it's one of the cleanest village that I ever seen. Another thing, the Rwandese people, they usually observe the rules, especially the motorcycle people. They are not allowed to carry two people at once. They only carry one person, and they must be wearing full gears. Like, you must be having your helmet. Another thing I noticed, these people are very observing laws, especially the motorcycle people. Let's just see. Of course, guys, I had to give you a view at night, and this is how it looks like. It's a small city, but let me tell you, with great transformation. We have been ensuring that cleanliness is a first priority to them. As you all know, even in the Bible, cleanliness is second to godliness. And my God, I'm definitely staying here in Rwanda. I need a Rwandese man.